guys.
Hello.
That's Miguel.
This is Kat.
And this is spring session A of week 1, and we're covering musicality. And
So we talk about a little bit about the structure of many jazz songs, which is A, A, B, A. The two first A's, they have more or less the same melody. The B is a little bit different, and it comes back to the same melody of A. And that A, B, A structure repeats or the whole song. You can have an introduction, and then you can have maybe a coda of a different ending, but that's the idea. And today we're talking about how to actually land our first rock step in the beginning of the A, the B, and the A.
right.
So for that, we did different sequences. The first one was an only A count sequence.
Yeah. And each phrase typically has 32 beats. It can differ a little bit, but that's the typical thing. So a sequence of 4 8 counts will get you to that. But there's also ways to mix it up.
So the sequence that we did with 8 counts was the following: was a basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, double takt turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, swing out 3, 4, 5, 6, and circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. So we start the next sequence, or the next, in this case, in the other A. If we are doing the first A with a 1, 2, 3, and that's the idea, to land the one on the rock step.
Right. So we repeated that sequence twice because of the AA, BA structure. And then for B, what we did was we did 5, 6 count, or no, 5.
We did only 6 count.
4 6 counts plus an 8 count.
Yes, so if you only do 6 count moves, you actually get to 30 beats and you need 2 more. The idea is to change one of those 6 count moves to an 8 count to fill the 32.
Exactly.
So what we did was a takt turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Follow underarm, lead underarm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pass by, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and circle, 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one that we're doing here is again the one of the next section of the song.
Right. We also did it a little bit different way by adding the 8 count tuck turn at the beginning of the phrase and having a 6 count at the end.
So the sequence in this case starts with an 8 count, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Follow underarm, 5 and 6. Lead underarm, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Pass by. 3, 4, and 6 count circle. 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 1. And that 1 again is the one of the next section.
Right. We also talked about infinite count moves, of which we did one called switches. And for that, it can be a sequence if you have 10 or 12 counts that you need to fill up. This can help with that. And it typically comes on the end of a swing out. And looks like this.
With the sequence we did was started with a takt turn and swing. Start with a takt turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Follow underarm. 3 and 4, 5, and 6. Swing out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and switch, 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 switch. And this can go for as many counts as you want.
Right.
So to start these switches, they typically come after the swing out, and you do a cross step on the last 7 and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and cross, and that's it, and 8.
Yeah, and for the follow, typically we turn our left foot out on that and 8. And that sets us up to do whatever footwork we're going to do, of which I demonstrated a couple of different ones, which is 1.
Swing out first.
Sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's step, or symbols.
Yeah. And then the other one we did. Ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change, kick, ball change. The third one was 2, 4, 6, 8. a few different ways to do that.
Remember to keep the tension when you're doing the switches. That will help us both to do the steps.
Mhm.
Don't move your hand or your arm. That's not
Right.
what you're supposed to do. It just happens naturally, but
Right.
you're not actually moving your arm.
Exactly. And to get out of that, all you need to do,
To start the rotation as a lead, and then you mark, you signal a very obvious rock step. So let's swing out, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch, 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 and a rock step, and then you do something else.
right, and as a follow, I can feel that
Which is very-
change in motion, which is linear rather than circular.
Mhm.
All right, well, that was a lot to cover, but hope to see you back next week for a lot more fun stuff. And thanks for coming.
Bye.